Naji here. So this is my third video with respect to Azure AI Text Analytics. In my first video, I have explained about sentiment analysis, and in second video, I have discussed about the dictating a language in a document. So before watching this video, please ensure that you have at least watched my first video about sentiment analysis, because in that video, I have explained about how to create a language resource in Azure, and how can we get maybe endpoint and the keys from that resource. So all those things I explained in that video. So please try to see that. Okay. So in this video, we'll be discussing on recognize entities. So we will see in this video we will see like how from a document how can we dictate a people, places, organization, date and time, and maybe currencies, percentage, etc. Okay, so we can start writing the code. Okay, so first, in all other videos, we can import credentials. So this time it will be a little fast. Okay, so here key credentials, then I can import aa.text analytics, can import text client, right? Text analytics client. Now we need a key. Okay, the key and the endpoint will be copied from here. Okay, so let me copy and paste it here. Okay, now we can create the client. So this is the normal coding structure. Okay, so endpoint, and here we can mention the credential as Azure key credential. I can pass the key. Okay, key. Okay, now once this is done, second, let me correct this one. Okay, we are good. Now we can create a document. Okay, here I can say one document as can say that I work at Triassic Solutions as a data scientist. In healthcare domain. Then I can say that last day we had a team lunch and which cost around the $10,000. Okay, then maybe I can say that, okay, maybe let me add a few words here. This happened in on 01/01/2024. I just want to get few entities, that's why I'm adding these things. Now maybe let me add one more thing. Okay, Azure AI services are the best in that category, and it's started on started on November 2021. Okay, so this is my document here. Now we can see the result. Okay, result, I can call my client, then here I can say the somehow the autocomplete is not working. Recognize, so and it is, we can ensure the spelling is correct. Now I can pass the document. Now let me print the result. You can see that, okay, you can see that what we will get. Now I can write recognize entities. Okay, so we got few entities. Okay, so here we can see that ID 0, And in ID0 we have text as a triastic solutions. Then we have a category as a organization, and it says about length and offset, and confidence score is 1. Then we have a text as a data scientist, category as a person type. Okay, and here maybe let me see one more thing. Let me add my name also, then we can try it again. Okay, so the same thing, the Najiabu is a category as a person. Okay, so here we have ID 0, we must have ID 1 also somewhere here. Okay, this is hard to figure out that here we have ID 1 also. So what we can do, we can loop through it. Okay, we can loop through it. Okay, first maybe we can take it as can have a review in, can enumerate this result. Okay, can enumerate this result. Then I can enumerate for the entity also, entity in review dot entities. Now I can print text as a text. Then we can print a category. I can print the category here. Then I can print the subcategory also, we can print it here. So here we can say that entity dot text, this will get the text, and here I can make it like entity dot category. Here I can make entity dot sub category. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let me execute this. Okay, so here we have a text as a Najiabu and category is person, which is correct, and we have a triastic solutions is a organization, then data set is a person type, and last day is a date and time, and lunch is a lunch is category, organizations considered as a organization, which is not correct at all. Anyway, we have a category, quantity, and currency. India is a location and a country or region, and 1/1/2024 is a date and time, and Azure is a product, subcategory computing, and AI is a skill and subcategory is none, and this is a date. So this seems to be working fine. Okay, so we are able to successfully categorize or get the entities of the data. So here also maybe we can do a one more check. Sometimes we will get a error, so to avoid that we can create a error check also we can do here. Okay, so yeah, I think that is all about in this video. I believe everybody understood how to use the entity recognition using Azure AI service. So yeah, please don't forget to do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.